In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MoneyGram exchange rate change screen. First, carefully review the new exchange rate shown on the screen and confirm whether the updated amount is acceptable before proceeding. Next, avoid leaving the payment page open for too long because rates can change quickly. Then, make sure you have a stable internet connection so the transaction can be completed without interruption. Also, double-check all sender and recipient details, including names, addresses, and payout method to avoid restarting the process again. After that, confirm your payment method is active and has sufficient balance to cover any small change in the converted amount. Then, proceed with the transfer using the updated rate, and if the exchange rate change screen keeps appearing repeatedly, log out and log back into the MoneyGram app or website or try again later. And if the issue continues, contact MoneyGram customer support with your reference number so they can explain the rate update, confirm the correct amount, and help you complete the transfer without further delays. So that's it.